Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious pork stroganoff. First I'll start off by peeling and slicing one medium-sized white onion. So now I've got a tablespoon of oil in my pan. Now that's hot, I'll add my pork. Got lean pieces of pork that I've cut into very thin strips. I don't want to add too much at once, otherwise it'll form liquid and just boil, and I don't want that. So I add small batches at a time and just keep it moving under a high heat. As I brown each batch, I transfer the pork to a bowl. So the pork is nicely sealed now, and as you can see there's no liquid in my pan. I'm just going to transfer this to a bowl. So now that I've browned off all the pork, in the same pan I'll add another tablespoon of oil and I'll cook down the sliced onions from earlier. So I just keep the onions moving under a medium heat for a few minutes, and then I'll add some sliced mushrooms. For some flavour, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. And while the butter's melting out, I'll add one crushed clove of garlic. And I'll give that all a good mix. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. I'll mix that all together and then I'll allow it to cook out for about 2 minutes or so. After 2 minutes or so, you can see it's cooked down nicely. It's got a lovely colour and smells delicious. Now I'm going to add the pork strips. After giving that a good mix, now I'm just going to add some seasoning. I'm just going to add some white pepper and salt. I'm just going to allow everything to cook for a few minutes and give everything a good stir, and I've turned the heat down now to the lowest setting. And then I'm going to add enough creme fraiche to form a lovely sauce. You could use sour cream for this as well. Then I'll add a couple of tablespoons of parsley. So I'll just stir the creme fraiche in and keep on the heat until it's nice and warm. Now that the sauce is nice and warm, it's a good time to check the seasoning and season to taste before serving. and this would go really well with some basmati rice or pasta. And there it is, pork stroganoff in a deliciously smoky, creamy sauce that makes a simple but delicious midweek meal. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.